How to open BBVA bank account quick guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can open a BBVA bank account in a quick process. So first of all, you need to search for BBVA on your Google tab, and after searching for that, it will show you the official website of BBVA bank. And after that, you have to click on the people, and after clicking on the people, you can scroll down and see a option called become a BBVA customer. See the join account. You can click on become a BBVA customer, and after that it says to sign up for the fee-free online account plus acquire Maxima card. You need your cell phone number, identification, have your DNI or TIE ready. As you can see, these are the minimum requirement you have to open a BBVA bank account. And if you have all the three of them, you can select on continue, and after clicking on continue, it will ask for you the documents one by one. And after you provide your documents one by one and follow the guidelines they show you, you can directly open a bank account and have a debit card also. And that's it. That's how you can open a BBVA bank account in a quick method. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.